Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back doing one trade today, and today is July the 18th during the New York session. It was based on the CAD weakness here, so I did only one trade, which was the pound CAD, as you can see here. I bought it at approximately 7:40 this morning, right here at this cursor. I bought it and I closed it out with about 16 or 17 pips, giving a grand total down here at the bottom, as you can see, $1,738. The CAD at one point actually dropped right down to zero. That's why I took the trade. It did do a pullback to the moving average, but not a big deal. Everything down here was telling me that it's going to continue to go up, and more than likely it's going to give some more pips. But I have to close the trade as I'm leaving and doing a few errands. So if you add this pound CAD with the I traded last night, just look at the previous video from last night during the Asian session. I did the Euro Aussie and the Pound Aussie. I traded the employment change last night. That gave me 46 pips on top of the 16 pips. That gave me a grand total for this day on July the 18th of 62 pips, which produced 58.68. As you can see down here at the bottom right side. Very happy with that. Another reason I decided to close, as it did hit the ADR, and I know it can keep going, but once it hits the ADR, you cannot always expect another 100 pips. But the market will do whatever the market wants to do, and it's approaching the London close, about 15 more minutes, and it can easily hook back down to the goal line here. I do teach all of these tips and tricks and ways to trade within my Easy Trigger system, the training videos. And if your system is not producing as such, I suggest you at least get in contact with me and get the system, and certainly I can answer your questions. That's not a big deal. If you want to know more, all you got to do is look right below this video and you'll see this write-up. It's my latest trigger system called Easy Trigger. I do charge $250 for it. Now, my Easy Trigger system has 3 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy on your platform. If you need help, I can help you using TeamViewer. Now, it comes with 2 MT4 templates and 9 custom indicators and my favorite currency meter. Now, what you really need as a trader is a lot of education, so that's why I give a lot of PDF books and a lot of Word documents. Good training within these books and documents. Now, I do have 30 training videos for my Easy Trigger system, and on top of that there's 9 bonus videos. So I do teach a lot of ways to trade here, such as a great way to trade, whereas you're only on the 15 or the 30 minutes and you know right away whether you should be buying or selling. I do advanced training and best advanced trading tips, along with how to trade the 50 moving average. Teach you how to back test so that you can speed up your learning curve. Instead of 6 months, you can speed that up to a week or 2. And to go through these videos, just to let you know, it takes less than a week and maybe 2 or 3 weeks of training, learning the training, and then you can be trading in a demo account. And once your demo account is profitable, then usually within 30 days you should be able to go live. And that really depends on how much knowledge that you have on how to trade the markets. So let's see, I do teach how to scan the market and how to trade the Asian session, like all the 3 sessions, how to use higher time frames, how to do the London close, and how to trade pullbacks and reversals. These 2 are very popular. How to trade the news and how to trade with a day job. So there are a lot of education in here. So if you're interested in this easy trigger system and or even the $1 million trade plan, if you have questions on that, feel free to pick up the phone and call me. And of course, if you live too far, all you got to do is send me an email. Now I do prefer Skype. If you Skype me, just click on this link right here and we'll have direct contact between your Skype and my Skype. And with Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. That could last about 45 minutes. It really depends on how many questions you might have for me. And if you want to see my 20 different trigger systems, all you got to do is click on this link. There's 20 different systems, and if you want to see some of the review on my trigger systems, just click on this link. So that just about wraps up this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until later, in the next video, good luck with your trading.